Hello? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create system partitions using the built-in disk management tool in Windows. First, right-click on the Start button and select Disk Management from the menu. Once Disk Management opens, you'll see a list of drives and their partitions. Locate the drive you want to partition. Right-click on the drive and select Shrink Volume to create space for your new partition. Enter the amount of space you want to shrink in megabytes, then click Shrink. You'll now see the newly available space labeled Unallocated. Right-click this unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. Follow the setup wizard. Assign a drive letter, select the file system type, typically NTFS, and label your new partition. Click Finish, and Windows will format and create your new partition. That's it. You've successfully created a new partition using disk management in Windows. Thanks for watching. Follow OddByteX for more tips like this.